boosting collagen production with microdermabrasion, a path to healthier, youthful skin. As we age, our skin naturally loses elasticity and firmness due to the gradual decline of collagen, which is the protein responsible for maintaining skin structure and youthfulness. The result: fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin that often lead to a dull complexion. While the loss of collagen is a natural process, modern skincare techniques like home microdermabrasion offer a non-invasive way to stimulate collagen production and rejuvenate your skin. Collagen is a crucial protein that serves as the building block of the skin, giving it structure, strength, and elasticity. It is abundant in the dermis, the middle layer of the skin, where it forms a supportive network. This network allows the skin to recoil or bounce back from everyday movements and maintain a smooth, plump appearance. However, several factors can disrupt collagen production over time. These include aging, exposure to UV radiation, poor diet, or environmental pollutants. By the time we reach our 30s, the body's collagen production significantly slows down, making it harder for the skin to repair itself. This decline contributes to the visible signs of aging. Home microdermabrasion is one most effective ways to counteract this natural process by encouraging the skin regeneration. How microdermabrasion stimulates collagen production. Microdermabrasion is a cosmetic procedure that involves exfoliating the outermost layer of dead skin cells. This process gently buffs away dull, damaged skin cells, revealing the fresher, more vibrant skin beneath. Beyond the surface level, the benefits of microdermabrasion are a deeper impact on the skin's ability to produce collagen. This is extremely good news. The exfoliation of microdermabrasion triggers a wound healing response at the skin's microscopic level. The skin interprets the removal of its outer layer as a minor injury and reacts by ramping up its repair processes. One of the most important responses is the stimulation of collagen production. As the skin heals, it starts building more collagen to replace the lost tissue, leading to firmer, smoother, and more resilient skin over time. There are benefits of increased collagen from microdermabrasion. 1. Smoother texture and tone. Increased collagen leads to a more even skin texture. Those who struggle with rough patches, acne scars, or pigmentation issues usually find their skin becoming smoother and more uniform after a series of microdermabrasion treatments. The gradual buildup of collagen helps to fill in fine lines, soften scars, and even out the complexion, giving the skin a brighter, more youthful glow. 2. Reduced fine lines and wrinkles. By promoting collagen production, microdermabrasion helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. With regular treatments, the skin becomes thicker and more elastic, reducing the depth and visibility of wrinkles, especially around delicate areas like the eyes and mouth. 3. Improved skin firmness. One of the most visible signs of aging is sagging skin, particularly around the jawline and cheeks. Collagen acts as a natural scaffold for the skin, so boosting its production through microdermabrasion helps to firm and lift sagging areas, giving the face a more youthful and toned appearance. 4. Enhanced product absorption. By removing the top layer of dead skin cells, microdermabrasion allows for better penetration of skincare products. This means that any expensive collagen-boosting serums, moisturizers, or treatments applied post-procedure are more effective. The skin can absorb these nutrients more deeply, accelerating the collagen building process and enhancing overall skin health. How often should you microdermabrade for collagen boosting? While microdermabrasion offers immediate results, collagen production is a gradual process. For those looking to maximize the collagen boosting benefits, most experts suggest undergoing home microdermabrasion every day to maintain results and continuously encourage collagen production. Conclusion: microdermabrasion is not just a surface-level exfoliation treatment, it's a powerful tool for encouraging collagen production and restoring a youthful glow to the skin. By stimulating the body's natural healing response, this procedure helps the skin become stronger, firmer, and more resilient. If you're looking for a non-invasive way to boost collagen and combat the visible signs of aging, microdermabrasion could be the key to achieving smoother, healthier, and younger-looking skin.